Yeah, okay. The top one. Now we need some sugar.
Sugar, yes.
Yes.
Sugar.
Sugar. Where is the sugar?
Oh,
Do we have any sugar?
yeah. I guess so. That's how we
I
do.
think Grammy said that we had some sugar, but what are you doing?
I think so.
Okay. I don't think we have any sugar.
Ah, not again. We can make it. We can make it. We can make it together.
Okay, I don't think we have any sugar. So we're just gonna use this, what's in here.
But we can we made sugar. We not sugar.
Okay. We don't have any sugar though.
But we gotta make it together.
No, we don't have any sugar.
But,
So we'll just mix this without it.
okay.
Okay? Let's mix it.
Hey,
What?
that's too loud. Yeah. That's too loud.
Okay, I think it's all mixed up.
Yay!
Yep. Okay. Here, let's scooch over just a little bit.
Let's make it. Let's make smoothie.
I guess we can use this.
Okay.
Okay, does it look good?
Yep.
Let's hope it tastes good.
You want to smell it?
Smells pretty good.
Yep. We need this. I have a green straw.
You want a green straw?
Yeah, I have it over here.
Here, no, we can get you a new one. You okay? What hurts? Did you like squish your toe? Did you squish your...
It fell in the hole.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, do you want to taste test this?
Let's try.
Okay.
Hmm.
Does it taste good?
So yucky.
It tastes yucky. It doesn't taste good.
Yeah, I want a real one.
That is the real one.
I didn't want a bad one. I want a good one.
This is the best I can do. It really doesn't taste good. You don't like it? What are your thoughts right now?
I want a